Now, millions of commuters along the U.S. East Coast face another round of heavy snow and gusty winds as the fourth major snowstorm hits the region this month. The storm led to closure of schools, grounding of flights and halting buses and trains. The nor'easter storm was on track to dump between 12 inches and 18 inches of snow on areas from Philadelphia to New York City. Other cities, including Boston and the Washington area, were getting lighter snowfall. The storm had already brought 3 inches to 4 inches of snow to Manhattan and lashed parts of the East Coast with winds of more than 50 miles per hour. Airlines canceled more than 3,890 flights in and out of the United States.
It's very cold. I've never seen snow in my life, so it's a very good first experience for me.